Okay, Roman, what you're going to want to do is start from scratch. It'll download the file. Okay. And for mailings, what you're going to do is go here, go to envelopes, put whatever delivery address in there it tells you. Put the return address, unless it might say omit. If it says omit, just click that, and you don't need one. Type it in there. And if it tells you a certain type of envelope, go right here for the envelope size. Click OK. After you type your delivery address and your return address, unless it gives you instructions to say omit, ignore if it says print in there, then click add to your document, and this is what will happen. The final result will be like this. Okay, so give that a try and see if that works for you. All right, good luck.